Hi guys, today we will be making these beautiful bows here. A single layered bow, a multi-layered bow and a beautiful topper, which you can see how beautiful this is. And this bow looks like this. See how beautiful this looks like. So we will be making some of these. Okay guys, hope you guys love it. Let's get into the tutorial now. Okay guys, let's start. So cut a piece of cardstock which is 1 inch by 12 inch. Okay, so now let's just fold this in half. Okay, again let's fold this in half. Okay, now let's take our scissors and let's cut out the ends like this. Okay, so after doing this, mine looks like this. Now let's open this up. Yours will look something like this. Okay, now let's take our scoring tool or scissors, something to curl this up. You see this? There are 4. This is the middle point. So you have to curl this one up and this one. Okay, just curl it and then let's take out our glue. You see this? You see this part here? Apply glue on the score line and just bring this over like this. Okay, and then apply glue to this part and just line this up. Okay, now the same way this part, apply glue here on the score mark and just bring this over like this and glue this down and apply glue to this part and line this up. Okay, so yours should look something like this. Let's turn this over. Now for this part, let's take out our scissors and cut this here. Okay, you can just eyeball this guys, you don't have to be precise. So then for a decorative purpose, just cut it like this. Okay, the same way do it here also. Okay, so your bow should look something like this. Now, so I will be gluing this small bead down the middle so that it looks good. Okay, let's leave this to dry. So now let's look at the process one more time. So to make the multi-layered bow, I have taken 4 of the same colors here. I have made 4 bows. So let's take one and let's apply glue to the middle part. Okay, and then glue this one down so that it forms a plus sign. Okay, so now this is dry. Again apply glue to the center part and take another one and glue it across. Okay, right in the middle of these. Okay, so now after this dries, again apply glue to the center and take the last one and again glue it across. Okay, so that it's even. Let it dry guys. After it dries, your multi-layered bow should look something like this. Isn't it cute guys? See, the layers is so beautiful here. This is what your multi-layered bow will look like. So after this, let's start making our another topper, which requires again a 1 inch by 11 inch. You can take any length of your choice guys. So on one end, let's apply glue at least for 1/4 of an inch and take the other end and just glue it down here so that it forms a ring. Okay, see, like this. Okay, so after it dries, you just apply glue on the inside for 1/4 of an inch at least. Okay, and now just do this so that it forms an 8. Okay, so let it dry guys. Make 4 of this length. So let me repeat it once again for you. 4 pieces looks like, guys. So the next thing we are going to do is, let's take out a 1 inch piece by 8 inch piece. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing. Apply glue for at least 1/4 of an inch. Flop this over so that it creates a circle. It is a fairly smaller one than this, guys. Okay, so now apply glue for 1/4 of an inch to the inside part and then flop this over so that it creates an 8. Okay, so let's do the same for the other 3 pieces which we have for this size. Okay, 1 inch by 8 inch. Okay, let me show you once again. My smaller ones looks like, guys. So the next thing we are going to do is cut a piece of cardstock which is 1 inch by 4 inch. Okay, and we are going to do the same thing. We need only one for this, 1/4 inch, and then just flop this over to make a circle. I mean a round like this. Okay, that's all, nothing else to be done. So we have our 4 big pieces here, our 4 medium size things here, and then one circle. Okay, so now let's take one of the bigger ones. Apply glue to the middle part and let's take another bigger one and glue it in the center so that it forms a plus sign. Okay, so after gluing this down, again let's apply glue in the center part and take another bigger one and crisscross it. Okay, so that it is even. Okay, after gluing this down, again apply glue on the middle part and take the last one and again crisscross it. Okay, make it evenly, guys. Okay, so now your first layer will be looking like this. So then again apply glue to the middle part, take out the smaller one. Okay, the 1 inch by 8 inch piece, crisscross it again so that it is even in the middle. Okay, so again apply glue in the middle, take the other small piece here and then crisscross it again. So again apply glue in the middle, take the other one and crisscross it so that it is even. Okay, again apply glue to the middle part, take the last 1 inch by 8 inch piece and crisscross it. Okay, now you will have a beautiful bow here, a topper. So for the middle part, apply glue here and this small circle thing, just stick it in the middle. Just crisscross it so that it looks beautiful. Leave it to dry, guys. After it dries, see how beautiful topper this is. I love it. I love it. See how beautiful it is. So this is a wonderful topper for any gifts that you make. You don't have to buy ribbons, guys. You can make it on your own. Okay. So this is what we've made today. Single bow looks like this. I've made few of them earlier. So hope you guys love the tutorial today, guys. Love you. Take care, all of you. Please make it and do tag me. Okay.